Welcome back! In the last lesson, we explored the widget palette. In this lesson, we are going to dive into the storyboard and learn how to visualize our app's design and navigation. Let's jump in. Hey NoCode-tute fam, Amir here, and today we are diving into the magical world of the storyboard in Flutterflow. Trust me, it's like seeing your app's entire journey unfold before your eyes. Kinda like a movie, but without the popcorn.
Huh?
Alright, so Storyboard is where you get to visualize the overall design and navigation of your app. Imagine being able to see all the different screens and user interactions that make up your app right in front of you. It's like having X-ray vision, but for app design.
Huh?
This way, you can ensure that the user experience is as smooth as butter. The cool thing about storyboards, they help you spot navigation issues or potential dead ends before they become a problem. Think of it like catching a plot hole in a movie script before the movie hits the theaters, saving you time and those precious brain cells. Now, Flutterflow's beta release of storyboarding is optimized for projects with 30 or fewer pages. So, if you're working on the next big social media app with 1 million pages, maybe dial it down a notch for now. Alright, let's talk about the storyboard legend. It's basically a visual key that explains all the different lines, icons, and colors used in the canvas. Kind of like a treasure map, but with fewer pirates. Here's the rundown. Solid line. This is for navigate or login actions. Imagine a straight path to success. Dotted line represents the bottom sheet action. It's like a little peekaboo in your app. Right arrow icon indicates hidden widgets. Think of them as ninjas, stealthily hiding in the shadows. Now, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with all the pages and routes overlapping, don't worry. You can highlight routes on a page. Just click on a page and the incoming and outgoing routes will glow in blue, like a neon sign saying, "This way please." Need to move pages around? Easy peasy. Just select a page and drag it to wherever your heart desires. Group them by feature or just make them look pretty, your call. And if you want to open a page from the storyboard, just double click on it. It's like opening a magical portal to that page. Bam! You're there. So, there you have it, folks. The storyboard is your app's roadmap, guiding you from start to finish, without any wrong turns or dead ends. And that's a wrap on the storyboard. You know now how to visualize and optimize your user navigation. In the next lesson, we will go over the toolbar and learn how to configure your project and navigate its versions. Stay tuned.